Hey, this is a tutorial for Pointless AI's open source ChatGPT AI dating profiles application. So this application is two ChatGPTs going on a date. It has applications in online dating AI profiles and forum AI bots and romance phishing simulations, romance scam phishing simulations. So yeah, just come to this repository, code, copy this, go into the terminal, git clone. See, I've already done that, so I'm already in my Python virtual environment. I've already cloned it in and already imported my key. So all I need to do once you've done all that, once you've imported your openai API key, is run main.py. Before doing that though, let's just open up code so we can watch this going on. Okay, so you can see in the application there's this dates folder, so all the dates are put into this directory. Main.py runs the application. So if we open this up and then run the script, Python main.py. Oh, okay, so that script is now running. Now if I head into code, we should see that this the transcript of the two ChatGPTs going on a date is now going to appear in here after a few seconds. Yeah, is it Harry and Evelyn? Yeah. Okay, so it generated their personalities, which is a JSON object with their attributes. This is generated by ChatGPT, and so it's generated the guy. It's also generated the girl, and it's come up with some personality for them. So now we've started the date between Harry and Evelyn. So Harry says, Evelyn says, Harry says. So this can run on for as long as you want. I think it probably slow down after a while because it's all put to memory. So this entire conversation is all being held in a memory. So I haven't tried running it for a long time. But yeah, they can get pretty romantic with each other. So Harry kicks off with a statement based on his personality. Evelyn responds, "Glad you do. He's very agreeable. I agree, exactly." And then they start getting into a bit deeper conversation. So yeah, it's quite sad when you end some of this script because some of them have really good dates and they really start liking each other, and then you have to end the script, and it feels quite sad because like, at this point in development, it's just gone forever. So, but I'm hoping to develop on that at some point and maybe make these more permanent relationships. Okay, so let's just let that run for a little bit and we'll take a look at the code. Alright, so it's a class called date night, a bunch of methods in there. So the first method is defining the generating the personality. So this is where you're generating the personality of the guy and the girl using this prompt. And the next method is start conversation. So this is like the bootstrapping method. So this is like the first person to start the conversation. They run this prompt and they come up with something witty based on their personality. Next method, respond conversation. This is where most of the work is done. So the conversation flows between both of them based on this method, and you just pass in their personalities and the chat history, and does it all through there. And here we've just got the all the logic. So starting the date, getting their information, and getting them chatting with each other. Here's where the chatting is currently being done while true. So person one is having saying something. It's going into history. It's going through the method. Then person two is responding using the same method. Let's see how they're getting on. Who was it? Was it Harry and Evelyn? Yeah, so they'll just keep going. So what's they saying? The exchange of ideas like this truly feels like a journey, doesn't it? Finding connections in thoughts and experiences that bind us. Getting a bit poetic. Harry definitely has that quality to it. Exploring these ideas together feels like we're navigating a shared map, so Evelyn's definitely in Harry. Harry says it's a mutual exploration. Truly an art form, yes, they're really getting poetic here. Magic. They're talking about poetry and magic. So yeah, date's going well. I'm very sad. Goodbye, Evelyn and Harry. Terminal. Date. Goodbye. Alright, thanks for your time. Feel free to clone the code, fork it, plagiarise it, whatever.